All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today we're doing an update on the Snap-on long electric ratchet. If you guys watch my videos, you know I broke my rule and bought a Snap-on electric tool. Now, has it come in handy? Yes, it has. Now, I've noticed a couple things. One, this does not have as much power as the Milwaukee. And Bam Bam, who also has the regular Snap-on electric ratchet, noticed the same thing. It doesn't have as much power as the Snap-on, the regular short Snap-on. So apparently we're losing some torque in this long extended head. That's kind of annoying because, well, I mean, it's long, so you want it for leverage and then to get something out. Now, I posted on Instagram a while ago where I was doing brakes and used my new fancy tool and broke it loose and it wouldn't budge. And it would, just, ugh. So, grabbed the Milwaukee, didn't want to swap sockets, put a swivel impact socket on it, and it powered right out of it. Significant power difference. And again, comparing the Snap-on to the Snap-on, the same thing. He says 10 to 15% difference. Now, I don't have a Snap-on electric ratchet, so I can't say that's what Bam Bam says. But there is a significant difference between the power of the Milwaukee Fuel and this. Now, a couple other annoyances for me is I don't use this a ton, but I charge the battery a lot. I swap batteries a good bit on this. I don't know why. I mean, smaller battery, closer to the 2.0 battery over the 4.0 I use in my 3/8. But I use the small battery in my 1/4 inch, and I don't change the battery near as often as I change it in this on my fuel ratchet. So battery life, I'm not finding great. Again, I don't use it that often, so I shouldn't have to swap out batteries like every couple times I use it. Probably exaggerating a little bit, but it seems like I use it for a little while and the light's flashing telling me the battery's about done. Other than that, it's been good. I've had zero problems with it. It doesn't feel cheap. It turns good. Is it worth the money? I don't know. I mean, I haven't found a situation where it really saved my butt any time. But it does come in handy. So it's a good tool. I have no problems with it as of yet. It's still under warranty. So if it breaks out of warranty, I might be a little different. But at this point, it's going strong. So it is good. Hope you like the update on the Snap-on long electric ratchet. Again, the part number is CTR7670. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like it, subscribe. Make sure and hit that bell notification so you get notified when I put out a new video. You didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Maybe you prefer spending buttloads of money on Snap-on over Milwaukee. It's up to you. Comments are always appreciated, and as always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.